Alright, so I said y'all were gonna unfriend me because I'm posting so much stuff. But I just left 7-Eleven. I got some desserts. I did poke the pancakes, and I did get them. And I got little combination round ball things. And I just randomly picked a drink because, you know, can't really read it. So let's see if they're good. Tastes like lemonade. Alright, so remember, this tastes like lemonade. Pretty good. Oh, and by the way, I'm like outside of my hostel. Oh, and for Juliana saying that she thinks I'm gonna get kidnapped. The guy in the hostel, which my hostel is there, upstairs, he looked at my tattoos and he was like, "Oh, you warrior." I was like, he said, "Little tattoo is okay, but you, big tattoo, you warrior. Nobody mess with you." So, okay. So, they said I look like a warrior with my tattoos. Only if they knew. Let's see what these pancakes are about. It's like a straight up pancake. It smells like a straight up pancake. Oh, there's something inside of it. There's syrup inside of it. Oh. Oh, yeah. This is good. Oh, yeah. You guys are gonna still watch me be a fatty. Alright. Let's see what these little round thingies are about. And by the way, there's like a bunch of people walking by me right now looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm in a smoking area. Yeah. That's weird. I'll maybe come back to that one. Yeah, no go. I was thinking of the pancakes. Alright, so I got visitors. Let me go ahead and get off of this because I feel weird. Talk to y'all later.